Hey, thank you so much for watching the previous video. And in this entire video, you're going to learn about the web hosting. Okay. In the previous video, as I discussed about the domain name and as well as what are the top 3 platforms which I recommended to purchase the domain name, that is Namecheap, Big Rock, and as well as GoDaddy. And if you are a beginner, means please try to go with the Big Rock for the better price. Okay. Let's deep dive into the web server or web hosting. Okay. To make you get more clarity regarding the hosting, I'm going to take one of the small example. Okay, just assume that you want to start an offline textile business. Okay, for setting up your offline textile business, what you need to do, you need to register your company and you need to purchase the land. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to purchase 50 acres of land on the earth. Okay, let's say you're going to purchase 50 acres of land in the Mumbai to set up your textile industry. Okay, in the same way, just assume internet is equal to earth. Okay, internet is equal to earth. To register the company or to set up the online company in the internet, you need to purchase the space on the internet. Okay, like how you're going to purchase the land on the earth to set up your company or to start your own offline textile business. In the same way, you need to purchase some space or the storage in the internet to set up your company in the online. That is the true meaning of web hosting. Okay, after purchasing the space on the internet, you can set up your landing page, website, and you can upload the videos also. Okay, this is the true meaning of hosting. Okay, and you might be asking like, Abhishek, okay, how much it would cost? Is it so expensive like land? No, not at all. You need to purchase the space on the internet, but why you need to purchase? Is it expensive like land? No, it is not an expensive like a land. You can purchase the space on the internet like how you purchase the domain name in these 3 platforms. Okay, you can also purchase the space on the internet in these 2 top platforms, that is the Hostinger and as well as the GoDaddy. Okay, these are the top 2 platforms which I highly recommend you to go with. Okay, don't worry guys, if you are getting confused, it means later in the next upcoming videos I'm going to show how to purchase the domain, the live demonstration, and as well as how to purchase the hosting also. But learn the basics of hosting. Okay, this is the true meaning of hosting. Hosting means you are going to set up your website and landing page on the internet. That is the true meaning of hosting. Okay, there are 2 types of hosting. There's a single web hosting and multi-web hosting. For the sake of knowledge, you can add only one website on the server. Okay, in the single web hosting, you can add only one website. Okay, like if I take an example, abhishek.hp.com is only one website I can add for the single web hosting. If I purchase only single web hosting, only one website. There is another plan that is a multi-web hosting. You can add 100 website on this server. That is a business plan. You can either go with a single web hosting or multi-web hosting. It's left to you. Okay, it's left to you. And if you are having a longer vision in your business in terms of course creation, means you can go with a multi-web hosting, and it is not so much expensive. It is less than the cost of almost, the price is going to be range between the 5,000 to 7,000 if I'm not wrong. I need to check again. Okay, let's come to the summary. There's the last part, that is the domain and hosting. What is the main difference? Domain is something that is going to represent the entity of the business. Example, abhishekhp.com and amazon.com. To recap, these are the top 2 example which I took, and abhishekhp.com is my own domain name. I purchased it recently, and the platform to purchase is the Namecheap, Big Rock, and GoDaddy. And hosting is nothing but how to purchase the space or the storage on the internet to set up your website, landing page, and other things. Okay, what are the top 2 to 3 platforms? There is Hostinger, Big Rock, and as well as GoDaddy. These are the top 3 platforms you can go with the purchasing the hosting. And there is a set of another plan. You can also purchase the domain plus hosting in a single platform also. Hostinger is going to provide that, and as well as Big Rock is also going to provide that. Okay, but don't worry, I'm going to show one of the easiest way to purchase the hosting, where you're going to get one domain for free. Okay, you don't need to pay extra 1,000 or 1,200 rupees for purchasing the domain. You can get that domain for free if you purchase that particular plan with a discounted link. Okay, yeah, this is all about the domain and hosting. I hope that you guys are getting that clarity, and if you are having any doubt, means please revisit this entire video, and please continue to learn from the internet also. Okay, you can go and read some articles in the Google, and you can go and read some blogs on the internet. Okay, you can go and read some newsletter on the hosting or website. those important knowledge is very much important. And moreover guys, you can also go and watch some YouTube videos regarding this to get more clarity regarding what is meant by domain, what is meant by hosting. Okay, I hope that you guys are taking the notes, and if you're having any doubt means please comment below so that I can also read and I can also reply for each and every individual comment. And if you're having more doubt means you can also contact me through the email, that is 123abhishek abhishek73@gmail.com, where I'm gonna reply for your mail also. Okay, in the next important videos I'm gonna cover about the how to purchase the domain and hosting, and as well as some of the basic concepts like website and as well as WordPress, Elementor, those important information also I'm gonna cover in the next upcoming video, and can't wait to see you in the next video.